Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super fun and easy 2-ingredient frosting tutorial. And using this super easy and delicious frosting recipe, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to decorate cupcakes. To get started, I have a 12-ounce package of candy melts, and for these particular cupcakes that I'm going to be making, I want green frosting, so I'm using a package of green candy melts. And the great thing about this frosting is that you can use the colored candy melts instead of having to color the frosting yourself, and it saves you so much time. So again, I have one 12-ounce package of candy melts and half a cup of heavy cream. Now I added my heavy cream into the microwave for about a minute, maybe a little less, it depends on your microwave, and I just want that to be really warm and bubbly. And I'm going to pour this over the candy melts and let that sit for a couple seconds just so that it starts melting the candy melts a little bit as it sits. Then I'm going to grab my whisk and I'm going to whisk this until the candy melts are completely melted and I have a nice runny yet thick ganache. And then I pop this ganache in the freezer for about 20 minutes until it is cool and firm. Now for these cupcakes, I just use a chocolate cake mix, which also saves so much time. And I just bake these at 350 degrees for about 13 minutes. And I remove these from the oven and I let them set completely at room temperature until they're nice and cool. You do not want to add frosting, especially this particular frosting, on these while they're still warm because it's going to melt all over the place. So you want your cupcakes to be nice and cool. Now that my ganache has set in the freezer, as you can see it's nice and thick, I'm going to add this into my mixer, and I'm using a whisk attachment because this is going to help whip this ganache into a nice whipped buttercream consistency. After whipping the ganache for a few minutes, it should look something like this. It looks just like buttercream. It's nice and thick, and this whipped ganache frosting is perfect for piping because it's firm and it holds its shape, and it gets stiff at room temperature and even better when refrigerated. So here are my cupcakes. They're all cooled. Once they cooled at room temperature, I actually popped them in the fridge for about 10 minutes for extra cooling. And here I have my whipped ganache frosting that I've added onto a piping bag, and I fitted the piping bag with the Wilton Tip 1M, which is the large star tip. And I'm just going to pipe a swirl pattern all over the top of the cupcakes. And you see how firm and perfectly this frosting holds its shape. It also tastes amazing. And now to decorate the cupcakes, I'm just going to top these with some cute alien toppers. I made these toppers myself, and I have these on my Etsy shop. I will be leaving the link down below to my Etsy shop if you guys want to take a look at that. And I also made these super cute Hocus Pocus cupcake toppers, which I also have on my Etsy. And they're perfect for the fall time and Halloween, which is right around the corner. If you guys enjoyed this super fun and easy cupcake tutorial, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to click down below and subscribe to my channel.